You know, too. Just sitting here. See how it looks? Damn, brand new exhaust. Do the oil change. We got that 5.0. No, man. Yo, my bad, bro. That's crazy. You can have mine, bro. My bad, bro. You can have it. I didn't even really want my sweet tea, man. You can have it. My bad. Just got done with the oil change. Alright, y'all, we're under the truck real quick. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be installing this Corsa Catback. Super simple, direct bolts on. No need to like fuck with the welding or anything like that. See these 2 bolts right here. You're gonna be taking those out. Look like a 13mm. Come back here, you have a clamp. That's a 15mm bolt. Back here, you have this hanger that's hanged on by the 2 10mm bolts right here. And then you have this big, look at this suitcase muffler, man. This thing sounds honestly not good at all. Not good at all for a stock car, but that's a stock car, right? Then you look up here. Let's get the camera to focus a little bit. I'm not sure you guys can see. There's also, I think those are 10mm bolts as well. That's another hanger hanging that as well. And then we circle back here, and that's just the remainder of the stock exhaust. There may be one more hanger back there, but I'm not too entirely sure. As you can see, here's this one. We're gonna be taking this off and installing the Corsa, and it comes out the side right here. Just wanted to show y'all real quick what we're working with, and we'll be back once we have this broken down.
I thought we were gonna have to take off this band.
Yeah, see this shit, guys? Look at this. Look at this stock Ford F-150 muffler. Holy shit, man. Here, see if I can get a better view of this. Look at this thing. Damn. Yeah, look. Huh?
Now I'll get the chicken.
Go ahead. Oh yeah, no exhaust on there. You already know the brand we're working with. Corsa, the one and only. We got side exit. Got these black tips, very beautiful tips. Lay them ever so gently here. Look at these. Look at these right here, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then this muffler, we're working with a non-suitcase muffler. And then here, and then it comes with all your necessary clamps and hardware for everything. And then we're gonna be reusing some of the old bolts that the exhaust came with to put this on. Stay tuned for us to put this on. All right, this is what we're working with, y'all. This is the stock exhaust here. Look at how long this thing is. And then here is the Corsa. Look how small it is. Just, this thing is gonna sound crazy. Not your little average work truck. Alright, about to get this put on. All I did so far is just this little hanger right there. You can guys see it right there. I attached it on there, and that just hooks on with the two 10 mils on the side of the body frame. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, check it for leaks real quick. See what it sounds like. Sounds good. Go ahead. Alright, let's get in this bad boy. Oh yeah. I'm normally not a Ford guy, as you can see, guys. I'm a Chevy guy, but we gotta acknowledge this beautiful, beautiful 5.0 right here. See what it sounds like now with the Corsa's on. Yeah, let's see what this sounds like, boys. Oh yeah!
Where should I go?
Left.
The light?
Yeah.
It pops. A little, right?
Brand new exhaust. Yeah, shit, boys. Nice little Corsa. This shit's sitting clean on this bit. Damn.